Jigger and barrel. Here I will show you different types of pour. You can do these moves easily if you already done moves with jigger and moves with barrel and shaker. And don't forget to practice it with different types of barrels and different amount of liquid inside these barrels. So to do this pour, you just take your jigger this way and you pour it on a barrel pour spot. Barrel you will take like this way, and then you will turn it like this. Then you make a pour and you pour it this way. To do this pour, you just take your jigger this way and turn your hand like this. Then you take your barrel this way, put your fingers here, and you pour this way. Then you pour it like this, change and put here. Try to do it at the same time. To do this move, take a jigger this way, bigger side here, then roll pour here, and here, and when it's here, just change your hands. Change your hands and roll it here. Here just take your bottle and start to pour. First practice it with no liquid inside your bottle.